Morning everyone. Welcome back to a civic session. We are going to start the chapter 3 Functioning of State Government. India is a union of 28 states and 9 union territories including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. There is one union or central government which is at the center and there is a state government in each state. The union territories are run by the union government and the states are ruled by the state government. The government comprises three branches, that is the executive, legislature and judiciary. Now there comes state legislature. The state legislature is divided into two parts, the legislative assembly or the Vidhan Sabha and the legislative council or Vidhan Parishad. Legislative Assembly. Every state has a legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. Its members are called members of legislative assembly or MLF. They are elected directly by the people of the state. The election of the MLA is done on the basis of the constituencies. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who then became an MLA. The political party whose MLA get more than 50% of the seat is said to be the majority party. And the party which forms the government, its leader became the chief minister. To become an MLA, a person must be a citizen of India and over 25 years of age. The tenure of the Vidhan Sabha is 5 years. Hence, state elections for the Vidhan Sabha are held every 5 years. Legislative Council. The Parliament can create or abolish the Vidhan Parishad on the request of the Vidhan Sabha. The size of the Vidhan Parishad is based on the total strength of the Vidhan Sabha. According to the Indian Constitution, the total strength of Vidhan Parishad cannot exceed 1/3 of the total number of members in the Vidhan Sabha. The members of this legislative council have a tenure of 6 years. 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. To become an MLC, a person must be a citizen of India and cannot be over 30 years of age. Legislation. Making and passing laws is called legislation. The state legislature makes and enacts laws on the subject of state level. Bills are of two types, money bill and ordinary bill. The bills are discussed in both the houses. Once the bill is passed by both the houses, then it is sent to the governor for approval. The governor can pass the bill or send it back for the reconsideration. Once the governor passes the bill, it becomes an act and the law is made. State Executive. The state executive consists of the governor, the chief minister and the council of ministers. Governor. The governor of the state is not elected but appointed by the president for a term of 5 years. The governor enjoys various powers. The governor appoints the chief minister, who is the leader of the majority party. The president consults the governor for the appointment of judges. The governor also summons both the houses of the state legislature or dissolves the Vidhan Sabha if required. In case if there is a breakdown of law and order in the state, the governor asks the president to impose president rule in the state. To be eligible for the post of governor, one should be a citizen of India, should be at least 35 years of age and should not hold any office in the government and should be a sound mind. Chief Minister. Chief Minister is the leader of the party that has won the majority of the seat in the state election. He or she is the elected head of the government of the state. The Chief Minister functions as the link between the governor and the Council of Ministers, as he or she communicates the decision of the Council of Ministers to the governor. For being a Chief Minister, he or she must be a citizen of India, should be a member of the state legislature and be over 25 years of age. Minister. The Council of Ministers has the responsibility of running various government departments called ministries. This include the Public Work Department, the Agriculture, Health and Educational departments among many more. It have to give a satisfactory reply to the question asked in the Legislative Assembly. After the elections, the MLAs collect in the Legislative Assembly. This is called a session. After a government session, the Chief Minister calls the media and explains the steps being taken by the government to resolve a problem. The reporters then ask the question in this meeting. Such meeting is known as a press conference.